Here we
Wait,
start.
this is crazy.
I know.
I'm in a YouTube video.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my bestie Ellie. Hey guys! And we're gonna do a get ready with me.
Yeah, we are. Are we gonna like run through what we're doing?
We're totally just gonna film us getting ready. Like, no way can I give a tutorial right now, bro.
My tutorial would be like, I'm gonna put this on my face.
That's the
Period.
So I'm putting foundation on. No product description at all.
Literally, yeah, because Fenty's not fucking sponsoring me. Frickin' sponsoring me, so can't do it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Okay.
No.
This is how I start.
Okay.
With lip plumper.
Oh my god, should I start with lip plumper?
Uh-huh.
Have you, is that like a legit plump?
Mm-hmm.
Because I have the...
The fuck is, there's a lightsaber? Like, what's happening there?
Look at this. It's literally like an injection. This thing is hotter than like, Hot Dave's like Reaper. Like, this is hot. Like,
This is pretty insane as well.
Really?
Yeah, my mom got this, and one time...
What is it? From what brand?
D-roll. My mom got it from Amazon.
Why do I feel like that went low-key like viral
It did.
somewhere?
It was like the Sarah Cameron one.
Oh!
Yeah. And my mom, one time, I was like, Mom, do you have any chapstick? She was like, yeah, girl.
And you
Here you
thought...
go. Wasn't. I licked my lips and just went in on them.
Bro, it burns. Oh, it hurts
dude,
so bad
the
already.
second I put mine on, it was a game over.
It hurts so bad.
Okay, guys, then I'm gonna go in with some Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream.
I'm going in with Milk Hydro Grip like I always do.
I do love milk. This is crazy because I'm not like a beauty guru by any means, but I do feel like I have a good makeup routine.
You actually look really, really, really good every time you do your makeup. I mean, you look really good regardless,
Well,
but
yeah, of course, but
when we went out that one night to Lucky's and you came in you popped off that night, bro. Oh my god, this is hurting me so bad right now.
I might need a minute to like let this kill me. And
I have to act through
stronger.
the pain. I have to act through the pain right now.
Okay, true. And I don't have a compact mirror, so I go ahead and use this. Dude,
I could cry right now.
literally.
I could
If
cry
there's
right
tears coming from my face, it is real.
now. I could cry right now.
You have tears coming.
I could cry right now. I am in so much pain.
Oh, ooh, I just licked it. Oh.
Okay, here we go. Foundation.
That's what she said. Okay, I start with concealer.
Wait, do you wear foundation or no?
Yes. But I start with the concealer and put my foundation over it. Should I not
No
be doing
way. Hey, makeup has no rules. If it works for you, it works for you.
that? I don't think it does either. But a ton of beauty gurus would tell me otherwise. That's okay though.
Well,
Okay,
you
yeah.
have one beauty guru sitting in front of you right now, and she says makeup has no rules.
Skadoosh, man. That's what I'm thinking. Also, I feel like I don't really care what people think. Like, ever.
Do you know what Morphe's motto is? Blend the rules.
That's a great
So I'm just saying, if one
motto.
of the top makeup brands says to blend the rules.
Also, I'd like to preface by saying that I usually cuss a whole lot. So I'm taming this down for Beauty ALYSSAROS. Because, you know what? I love this girl. She's so beautiful and amazing.
I love you, girl.
Literally making my semester at GCU 12 times better.
Do you need a foundation brush?
Yeah. Wait, how do I do this now? I've never used a brush.
Really?
Never in my life. Oh, wait. Is a brush a better way to do this?
Well, it depends on the product, to be honest. Because
NARS?
here's the thing. A lot of, or some foundations and concealers have silicone in it. And silicone and water don't mix. So if you're using a beauty blender, but you have a silicone-based concealer or foundation, they're gonna be like water and oil.
Holy crap, you guys picked the right girl's video to click on because she knows things. You know things. I go ahead and use this foundation.
That is the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint, by the way.
I love that you knew that just by literally looking at it.
Well, I wanted to get it, but they didn't have my shade. Also, is that the Charli D'Amelio perfume?
Yep.
Can I get a little whiff?
It is so fire.
It.
I've actually never experienced something so fire in my life.
Really?
I've never bought myself a bottle of perfume in my life. Never in my life. And I went to...
Wait, don't
should we
spare my-
just... Wait, let me... Okay, there you go.
It's actually very sweet.
It's so good, dude. Okay, and then I have this contour stick. Should I use the same?
From Kat Von D? Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, did you really think that my makeup looks good when I come out?
What?
Did you really think that my makeup looks good when I come out?
Yeah.
That is,
if I didn't, I'd tell you, bro.
That is true. You'd be like, girl, you need to
I'd be like,
fix
hey,
this.
let's go check out the bathroom.
I love that.
I heard the bathroom's amazing at this place, and I'm in there, I'm like,
here, we can do some things about this. Yeah.
that is one thing about me, like, I will never let my girls...
Never.
Because I would want someone to be brutally honest with me. Like, my
100%.
mom would tell me when I was in my bad, like, Anastasia Beverly Hill ABH pomade brow phase, she would tell me, she'd be like, Alyssa, those look horrible. And I wouldn't believe her, but she always told me. And then when I looked back, I was like, you know what? My mom was right.
You know what's annoying is that moms are literally always right.
No, they're always right.
It's super annoying to me, and I tell my mom that all the time. Like, she'll be like, Ellie, you shouldn't be doing this. And I'm like, Mom, here's the thing. Like, you know that you're gonna end up being right, and I do too, but I want to make this mistake. And she's like, okay, fine.
It's like a thing where you're
yeah.
like, I know you're right, but I have to learn it myself.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I have to be able
Literally.
to learn it, go through the emotions, experience it, think through it, and then grow as a person myself.
1000%. You know what I would love?
What?
To be sponsored by Trojan. And also, I just realized...
Trojan?
Dude, yeah. I've also just realized why it's called Trojan condoms.
Trojan horse.
Yeah. Like, that's crazy. You know? Okay. Here are your brushes. Thanks for the help.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm gonna go in with
I'm setting my face. Are you setting your face?
I'm setting my face.
Are you using Laura Mercier?
I am using Laura Mercier.
I used Fenty and I used Jaclyn under eye. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Banana Bright under eye, and it's like caffeine for your eyes.
That's kind of what I need because, you know, your girl's always tired.
Do you want to try some?
My face looks that way.
It's right here.
Is it for the under?
It's right here.
It's right there.
It's literally right there.
I did already put my under eye situation on.
Oh, you could put it on top because it's a brightening.
Oh,
it's not a...
fire. Ooh, it's getting a little crazy here. Oh, I feel caffeinated already, dude. This is crazy. Whoa, that was crazy the way that worked.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Wait, we should do that where I do your makeup with my routine, you do your makeup.
I do your makeup with my routine.
Yep. If I did your makeup, it'd have to be like we were doing a casual thing. There's just no way, because my makeup is not anything like crazy.
I don't need to be crazy to like go out.
That's so true, yeah. That's what I love about you, dude.
What?
Like, you're like a makeup beauty guru, but like you'll go do regular shit with like no makeup on and not be like, oh, like I need makeup on to do the gym and the Like, I feel like so many beauty gurus are like posting vlogs like, I'm at the gym, and they look like they're about to go to the Met Gala. Like,
don't get me wrong, I could so go to the gym in a Met Gala look.
100%.
But the thing that I believe about makeup, and I will say this with my chest, is that makeup is made for you to release your creativity and accentuate your natural beauty.
I love that. I love that. I don't like when girls are like, oh, let's do this nose contour to change my nose.
Yeah, no, it's to accentuate your natural beauty. Like,
literally.
I want you to be confident without makeup. I want you to be confident with makeup. I think that you can live both lives.
I love that you say that. Okay, here's another thing that I've thought about a lot in my life, because I always hated my nose growing up. I hated it. I wanted my nose gone. I thought it was way too big and ugly, and I literally hated it more than
I have never
anything else.
ever once turned that way. Your nose is actually beautiful.
Okay, well, I think
your
that
nose
now
is actually beautiful.
I think that now, because like, and it took me so long, but even when I was super insecure about it, I was like, I will never get a nose job, and I will never do any artificial like Botox or anything to my face, because I think that like the way that your face ages is a part of life, and it's beautiful. And also, I will never get a nose job because my parents, who I love so fucking much and I appreciate them, and they're beautiful and amazing, and like I aspire to be like them someday, and I will never change a feature on my face because it's their feature as well. And I feel like it's disrespectful for me to be like, I'm gonna get a nose job to change this. Love that you guys gave it to me, but I want another one. I just don't agree with that.
That was actually very beautiful.
Literally.
Like I can sit here and I can understand totally both sides of it. Like
Yeah,
I do believe if you would be happier by doing something, then do it. I don't think it's that big of a deal.
100%.
But I also really love the message behind that.
Literally. Also, another thing that I've thought about growing up, because I feel like maybe this is because I got diabetes when I was 11 and it was like hard for me to be like imagine my own life without diabetes, but my parents would say to me a lot, like when we were in the hospital together, they would say like, I wish that it was me and not you. And I remember saying to my dad, I was like, I'm glad that it wasn't you. I literally remember saying that to him. I was like, I'm glad that it was me and it wasn't Jacob or Sydney or my mom or my dad. Like, I'm glad that it was me that had to take this burden, because I feel like I can actually handle it and I don't want you guys to have to handle it.
It would have been heavy.
It would have been heavy, and like obviously it's heavy on me, but like I'm so thankful for it now. Like
I get that, because like with my dyslexia, it was almost like it was horrible to go through, but it is 100% the reason that I am me today.
Exactly.
And I wouldn't change it for the world.
Dude, that's why I have this tattoo. This tattoo is the butterfly effect, and it literally means that every single thing that has like happened in your entire life, the good, the bad, the ugly, like
everything,
it all made you the person that you are right now. And if you love the person that you are right now, and I totally do, sometimes I have days obviously where I'm like, this bitch is ugly, but that's just life. I love the person that I am right now, and I'm so thankful for every single thing that I've gone through, even the worst of the worst. I'm like, thank God.
Okay, I'm gonna do Ellie's brows really quick. This is in shade Edit from the Morphe 2.
Okay, and also I'll tell the story of the first time I fell in love with my fat rolls. Literally when I was in high school, I thought that I was obese. I remember going to a dinner and people were like, what are you the most thankful for this year? And I said, I'm least thankful for gaining weight, and I'm also most thankful for gaining weight because it made me discover a different kind of way to fall in love with myself. One of my Instagram posts, I'll show it to you in a second, there's like a genuine fat roll, but I love it. I feel like it's my favorite Instagram post that I've ever posted because I feel so beautiful in that picture. You're the lash queen, dude. Every time I go to my friends, like on TikTok, it's just you, and it's talking about like eyelash extensions, and I'm just...
Why did that lash stick on flawlessly?
Ow! Damn, girl! Sometimes I'll do eyeshadow.
Tell me why when you said sometimes, I heard sometimes I don't wanna be happy.
When I hear sunset, I say sometimes I wake up. Also, when I say hey now, what do you think?
Hey now, hey now.
Hey now, you're a rock star. Get your game on, go play. See, I usually just do two. Here's my thing. I'll do 2 coats of mascara, and then if I'm going out, like to be sexy, I'll do 3 coats. But for regular night events, I'll do 1 or 2.
I'm so pissed off at my inner corner right now.
Let me just be a beauty guru for a minute. Rena Beauty. I don't know the color, and I don't think that anybody really cares, so if you have questions, you go ahead and DM Beauty ALYSSAROS.
I answer my DMs 99.9% of the time unless you're a bot.
But what if I don't answer your question about the DMs? You're screwed.
I am screwed.
Because I know that after this video, I'm gonna be the topic of combo. It's
Beauty Ella.
Ellie.
Yeah.
You combined their names.
Actually? Okay, were you combining our names or thinking my name was Ella?
I know your name's Ellie, bro.
Oh, well, thank God. I was gonna, like, have to rip out your eyelashes.
They're not even there,
That's
bro.
how you
They'd
get to
be fake.
Beauty ALYSSAROS. You rip out her eyelashes. If you see her in a club and she does something to annoy you, you go ahead and rip out her lashes.
Hopefully I'm not that kind of person.
What do you mean by this?
To like annoy you.
Oh, the only time I felt annoyed by Alyssa is when she makes me, or she doesn't stop me from making bad decisions.
This lip liner is not going though.
I look like Snooki, and you're out here looking like fucking Kim Kardashian.
Okay, we're pretty much done. We did very simple makeup for today.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for getting ready with us. We love you. Have a great night.
Guys.
And I will see you beauties in the next video.
Yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video, but you never know when she'll invite me back.
She'll be back.
I'll be back. If you want me back, you go ahead and drop a comment. And if you don't want me back, then you can click off this video right now.
Love you.
Love you guys. Love y'all.
We love you.
you.